Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about table of 11. Repeat after me children. 11 into 1 is equal to 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 into 2 is equal to 11 into 2 is equal to 22. 11 twos are 22. 11 into 3 is equal to 33. So 11 threes are 33. 11 into 4, that is equal to 44. 11 fours are 44. 11 into 5, that is equal to 55. 11 fives are 55. 11 into 6, that is equal to 66. 11 sixes are 66. 11 into 7, that is equal to 77. So 11 sevens are 77. 11 into 8, that is equal to 88. 11 eights are 88. 11 into 9 is equal to 99. 11 nines are 99. 11 into 10, that is equal to 110. Okay, 11 tens are 110. So 11 ones are 11. The 11 twos are 22. The 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 sixes are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. Okay, like this we have to practice table of 11 children. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.